text him. You ask him, what you doing? I'm just chilling. I'm kicking it. How about you? I'm about to hop in the shower. He responds with, without me? Oh my god.
Stop it. Get some help.
What's up, y'all? It's tatycokley and I'm back for another video. And as you can see with the title, today I am giving y'all the signs that he is a F-boy. In my head, it is really easy to sift out F-boys, but y'all be so confused and be like, how did this happen? Oh my god, I thought he was this. And it was like, sis, is you blind? But then I had to remember, you know, maybe you guys haven't dealt with a bunch of F-boys like some of us unfortunately have. I need y'all to know these signs so you know what to look out for and you can alleviate yourself from the problems that come along with these men. Disclaimer, when I speak for my videos, I am a cis hetero woman, so I typically speak from my standpoint because that's what I know. But this is always applicable to everybody of all gender identifications, all sexualities, everything in between. So don't get it twisted, all right? It's not just the cis men out here. But quickly, I am fundraising for the organization that I'm interning at this summer, well, virtually, but whatever. I'm interning at the Masakane Center. I will have all the information down below. We got merch, we got donation links, we have everything. I also will be doing a giveaway soon, so if you don't follow me on my Instagram, make sure you go do that or you're gonna miss out, sis. Should already been there, but we're not even gonna go there. All right, let's just get into this. But first, if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, what are you doing? We're gonna give you a couple seconds to do that. Did you do it? Good. Now you can watch the video and welcome to our family. Also, follow me on my socials. This is where you can participate in polls, all that fun stuff, or whatever. Let's just get into this. So you think you might be dealing with an F-boy, huh? Chances are, you're right. If you gotta question it, sis, chances are you're right. But I'm gonna give y'all the signs regardless because that's what you came for. So, number one, the first telltale sign that you are dealing with an F-boy is if he proclaims, I'm not an F-boy. Babe, if that was the truth, then he wouldn't have to say it. Think about it. You guys are good people, right? You're a good person. You don't walk around every day like, I'm a good person, but I'm a good person. Listen, but I'm a good person. You don't do that because you don't feel the need to prove something that you know to be true. But he do, because he knows it's not true. So he like, I'm not an F-boy. I'm not like these other guys. Like,
Brother, this guy stinks!
Cut your losses before he hurts you, okay? Sign two. Ooh, if he only wants to chill with you when it comes to being at his crib or at your crib when nobody home, you know what I'm saying? If he only trying to Netflix and chill with you 24/7, he never trying to wine and dine, he not trying to listen to the things that you're interested in and take you to do that. If it's always, yo, you gonna come over? Yo, I could come over. You're gonna come over, you gonna chill on the couch, you gonna watch Netflix.
This guy stinks!
He's an F-boy immediately, because if somebody was truly interested in you, they would be trying to do things that would impress you. Not like, catch an Uber, come to my crib. Who are you impressing? Your boys? That's a conversation for another day because they not ready for that one. Anyway, if he's not putting in genuine effort to get to know you, to impress you, to take you out in public, if he can't even do that much and it's always like, come over, yo, come over. No. Three, he has had some sort of relation, some sort of interaction with your whole damn friend group. I don't mess with stuff like that. I know, let me not judge. I know other people is cool with that. Other people is like, well, we live in the same area, of course we're gonna run in the same circles. That's just odd to me. I'm not gonna be with somebody who all my friends have been with, they all had feelings for. I'm just not doing it, and he shouldn't feel comfortable running through an entire friend group either. Like, it's just weird. All the people in the world, why you keep coming for us? Damn, I don't know, that's weird to me. So if he the one running around your whole little friend group, everybody got a story about him, this guy stinks. Babe, he not it. He could be the talk of the town without being the talk of the town. Understand what I'm saying? Four. This one is my biggest and most important sign, and a lot of y'all gonna be mad at me, but it must be said.
Some of y'all about to be real mad at me, but it must be said.
If he's hitting you with the, shorty, we don't need a title, we know what it is, you know I got you, you know you mine, da da da. No, I don't. Prove it. Prove it. No, they don't know what's up. I don't even know what's up. Let them know what's up. Let them know we together, okay? Sorry, that's just what it is. And a lot of y'all probably in them little situationships where it's like, oh, but he said we together though, but he say I'm babe.
This guy stinks!
Babe, I'm calling you babe. You not my girlfriend. Bar be on the floor, and we just discussed this. So lift your bar up and make that man put something on something, because the whole we know what it is, no I don't. Enlighten me. Five. If he just got out of a relationship, He's an F-boy right now. He might be a great boyfriend, he might be this and that, but right now he's on his F-boy tendencies because he is using you as a rebound, Miss Mamas. You are not about to be his next thing unless he is the type of person that jumps from girl to girl to girl, and that still makes him a what? Say it with me, F-boy. After a relationship, if you really were invested in that person, you need time. I'm upset. I need time to heal. You're not gonna jump right next to somebody else. Like, ugh, get away from me. I still want him. 6. If he hits you with the, I'm not ready for anything serious right now, but like I still want you. Like I still want to get to know you.
This guy stinks!
For what? For what? If you're not trying to do anything with me, if you're not trying to go down the line, if you're not trying to pursue this, what you bothering me for? What you bothering me for? SZA said it best. She said, why you bother me when you know you don't want me? She told y'all, stop dealing with people who are just like, well, I'm just not ready for this right now. Well, I just but I still want you though, but I'm interested in what? Holding hands? Kicking rocks? Babe, because that's what you need to do. I need you guys to once again raise the bar up. Stop dealing with people that are like, I just don't want anything serious. No, they just don't want anything serious with you, and that's just what it is. I'm sorry, that one was kind of hurtful. 7? Is that what I'm on? I know y'all have been through this before, so I'm gonna say it now and I will say it again. You just gonna know what I'm saying when I give you the scenario. Y'all text in, you ask him, what you doing? Oh, I'm just chilling, I'm kicking it. How about you? I'm about to hop in the shower. He responds with, without me?
This guy stinks!
Oh my god. No ma'am. Or, oh, I'm getting dressed. Oh, what you got on? Onesie, sir. I have a onesie on. The guys that always try to take it there, if you know what I'm saying, F-boy, 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 F-boy. There's no reason it should always be about that. There's no reason they should always be jumping to stuff like that. Those little phrases and the without me's and the, oh, can I come? Oh my god, make it stop. It's not cute. I really don't know why they think it's cute. I've never met a woman in my life that thought that was cute. So if you're a guy watching this, stop
it. Get some help.
Because truly it's not attractive and it's a huge turn off. If you are young or if you are you know, new to this scene, don't fall for that. It's not cute, babe. Hey, if you're texting this man and he's going missing for hours at a time, he's inconsistent, it's always, oh sorry, my bad, I was doing this, oh sorry, my fault, I was doing this. F-boy. Listen, I'm not saying that the person that you're dealing with needs to be up your behind 24/7. Like, no, because that doesn't prove anything, honestly. But if he's mad shady with it, yeah, and he going missing for periods of time and he just kind of like incognito mode, F-boy, that's just what it is. You know why? You know why? Because if you were doing something and you were really interested in me and we're going at it like that, you could have let me know. You could have been like, hey, I have to go run these errands real quick, like I'll be back. The fact that you couldn't even do that much and you just kind of dipping off, he not interested in you, sis. Let it go. He's an F-boy. 9. If you guys have been at it for a minute, like if you guys have been talking for a while, you guys have done a lot, and he either has not taken you out yet, has not hung out with you yet, has not, if it's been a minute and he has not introduced you to nobody yet, not his friends, not his mama, not his brother, not his damn basketball coach, somebody, if he has not introduced you to nobody, brought you nowhere, done nothing with you, don't do it, babe. Protect your spirit. Let him go. He don't want you like that. He's an F-boy because there's no reason you should just drag it that long. I think it's important not to rush things and get to know people, but if it's been a little minute and it's no progress, let it go. Let it go, let it go, let it go. But no, really though, I might give y'all more than 10 because I'm just feeling generous. All right, 10 is if he's gaslighting you. If you don't know what gaslighting is, long story short, it's basically like you expressing your concerns to somebody and somebody flipping it back and making it seem like you the crazy one. So if he's doing that, if you like, why you told me it's just me and you, but I just seen you out with 3 girls, or I just seen you do this with a girl, and he like, what? Why would you even looking for me in the first place? Girl, don't be with somebody like that. They think they slick, and you not slicker than me, honey. Anyway, if you express your concerns to somebody and they just flip it back on you all the time, or he's always like, oh, but you did this and you did, why were you da-da in the first place, and da-da-da.
This guy stinks!
He's an F-boy. He's an F-boy, and he probably did exactly what you suspected him of doing, because there's no reason. If he didn't do all that, he would just be like, no, you're bugging. I never would do that to you. Simple. I would be like, okay. But no, you're doing too much. You're trying to flip it. You're trying to make yourself look like the nice guy, and you're the bad guy. Also, just in general, it's not healthy to be with people that gaslight you. Just like in general, like you, even friends, like just make sure you're staying around people that respect your opinion and respect your feelings and give you an open space to share. Okay? Okay, here's a controversial one, I guess, as a first bonus. There's a big difference between being private and being hidden, and I think a lot of us be mixing it up. I'm not even going to throw myself in there. A lot of y'all be mixing that up. So for example, is it different to keep your relationship private? Like, yeah, everybody know I'm in a relationship and I'm in a relationship with you or whatever's going on, but y'all don't know the ins and outs of it. Okay, that's totally cool, especially if you have some sort of social media presence and you don't want to keep putting your partner in a position like that to open themselves up to like scrutiny and things like that. I totally get, you know, keeping things discreet. But there's another difference if he just out and about, he under every other girl's pictures, he under all his homeboys' pictures, he under everything but you. I don't like that. If it's a mutual thing of like, I just don't want to post you and you don't have to post me, I just don't like people in my business, fine. But if that was never discussed, if it was just like, if you posting them and he never posting you back, if you liking all his pics and commenting on all his pics and he never doing it back, but he keep wanting you to do it on his, it's not cute, babe. Let it go. You just building his ego up for him and he just keeping you to the side, not having to give you the same type of energy. Also, I feel like this next one should just go without saying, but just as an extra bonus, stop dealing with dudes that only hit you up at night. I don't really understand that. If he only hit you up when the clock strikes 12 a.m., baby, he's not it, babe. He just thinking about you on that late night when he getting lonely. I need to be the first thought in your mind in the morning. At the crack of dawn, I need you to be like, Taty? No, I'm kidding. No, but I'm not kidding though. No, but like seriously, if somebody's only hitting you up at the late, lonely, dark, sneaky hours, that's not the one, babe, because he should be thinking about you at least sometime during the day. Like, why he only think about you when he get lonely? I think girls be thinking that's something special. Like, they be like, oh, like when he get lonely or it's late at night, I'm the one he called.
This guy stinks!
Okay, and he taking somebody else out and wine and dining her during regular hours, during respectable hours. Honestly, you might have not been the first girl he hit up in the first place, so what we bragging about, sis? All right, I done gave y'all some good things to look out for. I hope y'all wrote them down, y'all memorized them, I know what it is, and I gave y'all some bonus. So I better not see y'all with no F-boys. But before I close this out, you know I had to give my shout out of the week. This week's shout out goes to Annabelle. Here she go. I seen you comment on my last video on my chit chat talking about not being in things that don't serve you as I was discussing the video, and I just want to let you know that you are right and I love you so much and that will never change. Alright y'all, so make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, turn your post notifications on. You got a lot to do, you better get to it, and I will see y'all in my next one.